Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to see anyone's story without knowing them. This is so secretly. So let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. After that, go to their profile and then if you want to see their story, mine one then didn't share any story right now, but I will show you the real step that you want to see. So after that, just unfriend them and then click to the profile and Facebook will show you the see their story option. So after that, you can see their story without knowing them, and they will not really view your name from the list. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. See you in the next one.